2014. Hard to believe we are 2 weeks into this unboxing series.
It's crazy.
Hopefully, Misha can pick a good box out for us today with lots of goods in it. So let's get right into it.
Alright, let's make a little space for my big box. Oh, I'll take this big box.
Very cool. Very exciting.
Hopefully it's got lots of stuff in it. It's not just a camera bag. I opened all 3 of the camera bags.
Yes, you did.
Unless I'm being kind and letting you open all the fun stuff, right?
Most definitely.
Most definitely. Alright.
Oh, here we go. It's another box.
It's another box.
So, just from the packaging, I'm going to guess that this is our other Canon camera.
I bet it is. I bet you're right.
Alright, we've got a really long packing slip.
Which is funny because it has
like one
stuff on it that's not in the box.
Oh wow, very strange.
It is strange. I don't know. I don't pretend to understand it.
Here we go.
Yeah, it is.
So we have already taken another camera out of all of its packaging. So if you would like to go see that video, go watch that video and you can see what our camera looks like. But it is the second XF400 that we have got. So now that's got us up to 3 4K cameras and then
6 total cameras for the program. Just fantastic. And they will be put to good use.
Yes.
Come back tomorrow where I bet Kerrigan will pick another fun box.
Awesome.